In this video, we have the all-new MXR6000GT from Maxpeedingrods power inverter generator, 6,000 starting watts and 5,000 running watts, and we're going to put it to the test in this video. And this has all the bells and whistles. Unlike many power inverters in the market, they don't even have an LED light. The fact that we have this powerful LED light is so amazing, guys. If you ever went camping at night or you're plugging things in at night, this is so convenient to have. I'm so glad that they put that there, and I don't understand why all these power inverters, very expensive in the market, they don't even have an LED strip. That's ridiculous. But Maxpeedingrods got you covered. As well, we have a nice digital display right here, which tells us, you know, the power load and fuel level. You have a CO light, got 120 volt to 240 volts. You can go to 220 as well. In addition, there is a USB and Type-C charging port, and above that there's an inlet to charge the internal battery for the push start, and it does charge the battery while it's running. And as well, we have a 12 volt right here. Guys, this is loaded with everything, has an amazing app, and we're going to put it to the test, like I said, in just a moment. Let me start it up for you guys real quick. Nice push to start. It does have the manual start as well. You can start through that. Nice and quiet. So it's really nice to see that we have the quick operation guide on the side of the power inverter generator. Add fuel, add oil, connect the battery wire, turn on the fuel switch, the main switch, and obviously you can choose to do the manual pull or the push start, which is very convenient, or start it directly from the phone, which is amazing, guys. This is top of the line. This is innovation, guys, from Maxpeedingrods. As well, I'm gonna show you how to change the oil. So it does not come with oil. There is a little bit of residual oil from the factory that you want to empty out, so I'm going to show you the process. So after removing the residual oil from the factory, I did tip it over slightly just to get the excess oil out of the system. You want to put 700 mLs. It's slightly a little over 700 mLs, but there might be slight residual left of oil from the factory. So I'm going to put just 700 mLs. And it calls for 0.74 quarts. So that's roughly slightly over 700 mLs. So before I start this generator, I want to break it in properly. So what I'm going to do is remove the spark plug and put about 5 mLs or a tablespoon of this Lucas upper cylinder lubricant so it won't start dry for the first time. And we do have the tool provided, very convenient, to remove the spark plug. I'm going to use a screwdriver. They do give you a little tool, but sometimes it can be a little bit tight. Let's see the spark plug that they're using. So we have an NGK. That is super nice. I was just about to replace it with this brand new NGK spark plug. It's very nice to see that they do provide an NGK, and it looks exactly like the one I bought from the auto parts store, but they are exactly the same, guys. Genuine. So I have this TIG welder up to 200 amps, but currently the max I can go is 140 amps because it's connected to 110 volts. So for me to go above 140 amps, I need to be connected to at least 220 volts. So the 240 volts with the adapter, the MXR6000GT should cover this easily. So let's put it to the test. All right, so here I have this adapter connected to the welder. And let's see if we can get the 220 volts that we need for this welder so we can have enough power to go over 140 amps. So what you want to do first is start it unplugged. It's on 220 or 240 volts. Start it up. Starts up every time. Plugged in. Let's turn this on. Perfect. Let's see if we go up. Wonderful. Powerful. So let's continue to put this power inverter to the test. Now it is clean energy. It's a power inverter generator. It's not a dirty generator. So it's safe to run electronics, you know, like your laptop. You want to charge something, run it to an RV. It's very safe. You know, this is incredible for multi-uses, for camping. If you want to start your own business, a detail business, guys, this is going to handle this like nothing. Powerful shot vac, powerful pressure washer, demands a lot of watts. We'll check it on the meter on the app as well. This is perfect. You don't have to constantly recharge the batteries. You know, the cordless ones, they always drain pretty fast. The fact that you have this for many hours is incredible as well. I do have a cordless angle grinder, and I'm trying to cut a piece of the bumper reinforcement of the vehicle because I want to install a intercooler, but I can't because the cordless one doesn't have enough power. But with this, I should have plenty of power because we have the Maxpeedingrod power inverter generator. This generator is so convenient for Maxpeedingrods, the GT6000. So powerful, so convenient. I can literally take it anywhere with me. There's literally no power near me, and I'm able to work on the vehicle. I'm about to use this angle grinder to make a cut right here so I can fit the intercooler. Wonderful. Absolutely amazing, guys. Got the vacuum right here, powerful shop vac. Got this connected. Turn on the vacuum now. No problem. Vacuum. So I can't see nothing right here, but luckily this generator has a nice little LED bar, super powerful light. I can see what I'm doing. Absolutely amazing to have this feature. Show you this app real quick. Very easy to use. I love this app. Very easy to understand, very intuitive. Let me show you guys. Very simple. It tells you the fuel level, tells you the voltage, the frequency. It tells you real time the battery status, if it's charging it, if it's full, if it's low as well. You have the start mode. You can start it directly from the app, which is amazing as well. You have the eco mode. So let's start it up. Amazing. Turn it off as well. You turn it off directly from here, guys. This has been an amazing experience. Let me tell you, this power inverter, I absolutely recommend it, and I'm glad that it's only fuel only, so it's not tri-fuel or dual fuel. You know, you can't run propane on it. Anyways, I had generators that can do that, and honestly, if you have a big powerful generator, the purpose is to get the maximum power. Propane will significantly reduce the power output, which defines the point of having a powerful generator as well. Let me tell you, it doesn't last that long. With fuel, you get more running time, you get the maximum power output. So being fuel only is not a problem, and I absolutely recommend this generator. It has all the bells and whistles from Maxpeedingrod, the MXR6000GT.